Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I'll show you HelpDesk 3, the professional support solution. This is our admin panel. You can see dashboard, it's message, offline message, then support request, client. Scroll down, you can see all visitors, open tickets, next demo research, then latest chat conversion. You can see group chat, calendar. Another option is support. You can see all support information is total ticket, open ticket, then then replay, rating. You can see ticket status. Another option is chat history. You can see all history. Then contact history, all contact information you can see. Components, FAQ, blog, then text, CMS, link, group chat, chat widget, all you can customize. General settings, chatbot, auto repo, filter, custom field, button, all you can customize. Then status, offline visitor, logs, operator history, user settings, say general settings, you can customize. Then calendar settings, payment gateway, navigation, API token, ChatGPT from OpenAI, front end template, then message server, blog visitor, client setting, sound, then standard department, maintenance is you can customize your status, so online, busy, offline. This is search bar. If you need it, check the link in the description. For the installing help, contact us.